look at the size of that one.
Okay, now this is a puzzle in which there is a farmer who has a hen and a fox and some corn on one side of a river. Of the things across, the farmer, the hen, and the fox from one side of the river to the other without sounding the buzzer once. Tim and I have a series of logic switches that are going to be sort of puzzles for you.
Okay.
And the idea of it is that here is a battery or a couple of batteries, and there is a buzzer, and here is a switch.
Okay.
Close the switch. Okay?
When I close the switch, it's a closed circuit since it all works.
Okay. Now that tells the rest of the circuit in a computer or a television set or something, one of these logic statements. Yes.
And, either but not both, no, or either or.
Okay. So which logic statement is this switch?
I say it's obviously yes because it's a closed circuit and yes, it works.
Okay. That tells the rest of the circuit that the switch is closed.
Yep.
Okay. Now move that one out of the way and I'll bring up another one. You can see the battery is not in position.
Okay.
And you can see why in a moment.
Oh, it's probably no, it doesn't work since it's an open circuit.
Okay, you say that tells the rest of the circuit what?
That it's open.
That the switch is open, so it's a no.
No.
Okay, so go ahead now. Put it up. Let it go. But now take the battery out.
Okay. Oops.
There you go.
Oh, thanks.
Take that one out of the way. Here comes another one. They're gradually getting a little more difficult.
Yeah.
As you can see, those were simple yes and no.
Yeah.
Okay, try this one.
Okay, that one won't work alone.
No.
And that one won't work alone. But they'll work together. So
Okay.
that one works and this one works at the same time.
Yeah.
So I think it's and.
Okay, so that means that says to the rest of the circuit what?
That one works and that one works at the same
and
time.
that they're both working.
Yep.
Okay, good.
So it's and, okay.
Try this one. You only have two left, so it shouldn't be too difficult.
That one works. That one works.
Okay, now both.
And they both work together. So it's obviously either or because either one works and they both work.
Or they both work.
Yep.
Okay, like that.
Yes?
Okay.
Okay.
Last one before the piece de resistance in which you really are going to be challenged.
Okay.
So this is either but not both, right?
Right. So either that one works and that one works, but at the same time, they don't work.
Yeah, you need a position, by the way.
Yep.
Okay. Very good. Now, take that one out of the way because here's the
Okay.
real test.
Either but not both. Wow, look at the size of that one.
Okay, now this is a puzzle in which there is a farmer who has a hen and a fox and some corn on one side of a river.
Okay.
And as long as he's there, he prevents the hen from eating the corn or the fox from eating the hen.
Yes.
Okay. And notice the green light goes on. Okay. Now he has room in the boat for only one of these things, and he wants to get them all across the river, which means he has to get them all from this side to this side.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so that every time he goes over like that, if he takes the hen with him, that's okay, because the fox won't eat the corn, right? Okay, but if he comes back and he takes the fox,
The
problem.
hen will eat the corn.
But the hen will eat the corn.
Oh, okay.
You get the idea?
Yeah.
So I'd like you now to be able to get all of the things across, the farmer, the hen, and the fox, from one side of the river to the other without sounding the buzzer once. Go ahead, start practicing. I'll come back later.
Okay. Well, obviously the farmer should take the hen first since the fox doesn't like corn. The corn can't eat the fox.
Okay, Damon, how'd you do?
I think I've got it, Mr. Wizard.
Okay, that's the buzzer that you don't want to hear, right?
Yeah.
As you try to get the corn, the fox, the hen, and the farmer from one side of the river to the other without leaving the hen and the corn or the fox and the hen one side without the farmer.
Exactly.
All right, so how do you do it?
Well, first I took the farmer and the hen over, and that leaves the fox and the corn, and fox don't eat corn, so there you go.
Okay.
And then the farmer comes back and takes the fox with him,
Okay.
but the fox can't eat the hen while the farmer's there.
Sure.
So he takes the hen back with him,
Okay.
And
Look out.
he's watching the hen and the corn,
Right, okay.
and so he can take the corn back with him again, since the
Okay.
fox does not eat corn,
Right.
go back, take the hen, and he's watching all three of them.
Very good. The light went on every time and no buzzer. Congratulations, you got them all across the river.
Thanks,
Based
Mr.
on
Wizard.
logic switches.